Peach Melba pudding. Add 480 millilitres of water and 200 grams of sugar to the pan. Cook for up to 10 minutes on medium heat until the sugar has dissolved. Peel 2 medium-sized peaches, cut them in half, remove the stones and tidy up the edges. Boil the peaches for 10 minutes in the boiling water with the melted sugar. To prepare the sauce, put the raspberries into a separate pan. Add 100 grams of sugar and heat until the sugar melts and the mixture thickens. To prevent the cooked peaches from disintegrating, leave them to cool in the pan before moving. To give the raspberry sauce a smooth consistency, strain it through a sieve using a wooden spoon to crush the fruit. Cool in the refrigerator until the sauce sets. Prepare the powdered cream according to the instructions on the packet. Serve the peaches with the cream, raspberry sauce and a helping of vanilla ice cream.